Well, we had some shingle problems, dry rot and stuff like that. The shingles on the garage had some mold, and he came and cleaned that all up, took care of the garage. He told us about making the upper roof look better and also last longer. And so we had him come and take care of that. 2 different treatments, and the job looks really good. Probably should have been replaced at some point soon, and he gave us another 5 years to consider what to do. It gives us 5 more years on the life of it, and it looks better too. So he's got a drone that he watches what he does on the house, and he shows everybody and keeps us informed what's going on, and he even offered to bring coffee and donuts.
It's a plant-based product, so it's safe for people, pets, the environment, that soaks down into the shingle and replaces the lost petrochemical oil. It's really just that simple, and that's what restores the flexibility of the shingle. And we can extend the life of a roof 5 years per treatment, and we can do that up to 3 times. And the whole process takes an hour and a half, 2 hours max, and no hassles, no mess.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Maxx, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process.
Maxx's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Call or go online now to request a free roof assessment. Maxx, more life, less money, guaranteed.